What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be playing the Funko Soda Chase Roulette. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be playing the Chase Roulette game once again. We are going to be trying for the Chase for Bakugo. He is glow in the dark. I have not yet got the All Might glow in the dark, so if we get the glow in the dark pop this time, or if we get the chase this time, that makes us 3 and 6. We're going to open this really quick and hopefully try to get the chase. I have 4 of them, 4 in total. As you can see right there, 4 of them. Let's go ahead and get the cracking. I typically like to try to get 3 of these, 3 of any possibilities of a chase. We're going to try for it. We have the can here. Bag. Let's go ahead and rip into it and hopefully we get the chase. In 3, 2, 1, bam. Did we get the chase? I don't think that's the chase. Let's test it. And we'll look at the pog for reassurance. But no, not the chase. Looks really freaking sweet. Pretty cool. Bakugo. So I have pretty much every one of the My Hero sodas as we speak right now. And we'll look at this pog, and yeah, we did not get a chase. Moving on to the next soda. Shall we just look at the pog? Be faster, right? Taking out the soda. Alright. Is it a chase? Is it a chase? No, it is not the chase. Can number 3. Will this be our chase? Will it be our chase? That's hope. That's what we're hoping for, is a chase. So let's go ahead and tear off the seal here. Bam. All right. We're not going to look at the figure because we already seen the common figure. So will we get a chase? 3, 2, 1. Bam. Oh my god, we got it. Holy crap, dude, we got the freaking chase. Woo. That's freaking sweet. Now we're going to open it because we want to see what that chase looks like. And I think it's just glow in the dark like I did mention. So it's nothing too, you know, jaw-dropping, earth-shattering. It looks the same. It looks the exact same. Can kind of see the glow there. It's his little cross band there. Pretty much everything. Oh, his hair too. His hair. I'll show you better pictures in the dark what he looks like, but there he is right there. He is the Bakugo glow in the dark chase soda, which is really freaking sweet. Now I have the Deku chase and the Bakugo chase. I just need the All Might chase. That one has eluded me. I bought like 6 sodas trying to get that chase, and I still have not yet got the chase. I should have just went ahead and bought a case and just opened it, but what fun is that when you open a full case and get the chase? I mean, yeah, you get the chase, but the whole fun of Chase Roulette is you actually buy 3 random, 4 random, however many randoms you buy, and you just try for the chase. This time it worked out. This time it worked out. So the question is, shall I open this or should I just give it away? It is sealed. You can see it right there. It is 100% completely sealed. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna give this away to one of you lucky people. So all you gotta do, I'm not even gonna mention it in the title, in the thumbnail that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. This is for the real ones. In order to win this soda, all you gotta do is let's see. I don't even know how to do this giveaway. I don't even know how to do this giveaway. Maybe just leave a comment in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed, obviously. Leave a like on this video, and then probably in a week or 2, depending on what's going on, I'll pick a winner from this video. Leave the hashtag Owl's Nest Soda, and I'll pick a lucky winner to win this sealed soda right here. So subscribed. You gotta be subscribed. Like the video. Make sure you like the video. Of course, share, all that stuff. Leave somewhere in your comment hashtag Owl's Nest Soda, and then I'll pick a winner and I'll give it about 2 weeks. Alright, so that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And on behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.